I love my free sample from UpNourish. So they are vitamins for your hair, and let me tell you, I am having good hair days almost every single day with less effort than I used to before. So let me start by showing my hair. This is how it looks. It's very shiny. I would say it's very soft. I would say also that the ends of the hair look very moisturized, and I believe I want to thank UpNourish. So all you have to do is take three of these soft gels a day, and I drink them easily, no aftertaste. I like to drink them in the morning, all of them at the same time, but you can do it as you want to. It promotes good things for you, has biotins. Here's the nutritional facts. And I like it because it's just that, look at my scalp, is so shiny. I don't have any flakes. I don't have anything bad going on. And I believe that these vitamins help me a lot. So if you want something natural for your hair, something to boost that beauty that we all have, then I will consider getting this one. I hope you enjoy my review, and thank you for watching.